Hey there, good morning. Hope y'all are doing fine. I'm back with a new video in which I'm going to show you how to remove blemishes using Adobe Photoshop AI. Well, I already let you know about a lot of Adobe Photoshop tools, so I think you are familiar with Photoshop interface. So that's why this tutorial is going to be a little bit advanced level. But no worries, in this tutorial I explained every step. This is just for your curiosity. Like, you can do a lot of things in Adobe Photoshop. This is not about only tools. There are number of tips and tricks, and by using them you can make amazing paintings, amazing canvas, amazing pictures, photos, designs. So this is a quick video in which I'm going to convert this photo into this one. You can also do that. For that, you just need to watch this video till the end. So enjoy the video. Before watching this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe and share PIXIPACE YouTube channel with your friends. Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics. Okay, so in this photo I'm gonna remove all these blemishes. If we are using any tool from tools panel, then it would be difficult to remove it more perfectly. So that's why I'm gonna use a little bit tricks in that. Right now our background is selected. Just click on filter, then neural filters. If you have latest version of Photoshop, then you'll find these options. Then just click on skin smoothing. Just select this one, make a blur 100% and smoothness is near about 50%, almost 50% there. Then after processing this twice, just click on OK. I'm gonna repeat this step one more time. For that, again I'll click on filters, then neural filters. Just click on skin smoothing, select this one, again blur, smoothness, increase the value of blur and smoothness. Then just after processing, just click OK in a new layer. It create a new layer. Almost every blemishes are removed, but there are a lot of blemishes pending. But so for that, I'm gonna make a new layer of that one by pressing Command+J. I just copied layer number 2. Then I'll simply right click and convert it into a smart object. Then simply I'll again click on filter, blur, Gaussian blur. Then select the blur value. That's fine. Then by pressing Alt or Option button, click on mask, create a mask of that one, and this is invertible mask, so that we can paint over the areas which we want to blur, like this one there. We can see the blemishes. Now I'll simply select the brush tool by pressing B, and our opacity is 41%. That's fine for me, and I'll paint over the areas which I want to make up perfect, where I want to remove blemishes. So I simply paint over the areas like this one I'm painting right now, and painting over the areas our blemishes, removing our blemishes. That's great. That's going really fine. Just paint over the areas until to find a accurate results. Now there is one more thing. This is not looking fine, so for removing this one, I'll simply select spot healing brush. For that, you can also press J as a shortcut. Simply select the layer and paint over that one, and it's removed too. Now it's time to create a little bit sharpness there, because it's really too much smooth and it's not looking realistic image. So for that, again I'm gonna select the layer number 2 and simply press Command+J or Control+J to copy that layer. Then convert it into smart object again, so that I can preserve the properties of any filter. Then I'll simply click on filter, other, and high pass. Here we increase or decrease the value of high pass until we see that picture. Now I'm gonna make it like soft light after doing all the process, and this is our original image. You can check it, just take a few minutes only to make this amazing. So okay guys, what you felt about it? Isn't it a really amazing trick? By using, you can like remove blemishes within few seconds. I think only 2 and in 3 minutes you can remove all the blemishes. This is really a quick tutorial, and I think you learned a lot of things from this. Again, at the end of video, I would say, as usual, subscribe and share PIXIPACE YouTube channel. Thank you.